Hey sugar swappers, let's check out one more amazing recipe. Today's chocolatey, proteinaceous keto mug cake, 90-second mug cake. Introducing India's first keto baking flour, which also comes in gluten-free version. The best part about it is it's instant and it's made from superfoods, nuts and seeds. You can bake anything instantly, sugar-free, keto and gluten-free too. From keto cookies to keto cakes and muffins, donuts and keto breads, anything and everything. Your imagination is your limit. And let's get on with the recipe. Let's add 1 egg to a mug or a cup. Just whisk it a little bit, and now we are going to make it more proteinaceous. Let's add the Sugar Swaps chocolate spread. It's sugar-free, gluten-free, and of course high in protein and the deliciousness of chocolate also. Let's add a tablespoon of it to the egg, which we have whisked and kept aside. And we are going to add a half tablespoon of extra light olive oil and a half tablespoon of Keto Sweetener. Both are from Sugar Swap. You can also add erythritol or xylitol. And now I have added a tablespoon of baking flour. I'm using ultra low carb baking flour. Now mix it properly until there are no lumps in the mix. And now just bake it in a microwave or microwave it for 90 seconds on high. That's it. Now your fluffy, chocolatey, proteinaceous keto cake, mug cake is ready. Just invert it on a plate. Let's put more chocolatey deliciousness on the cake. Let's add the super silky chocolate spread, Sugar Swaps chocolate spread onto the mug cake, and just put it on your mug cake and sprinkle some of the sugar-free chocolate chips. And let's try it out. It's amazingly fluffy and soft and yummy, of course. If you love this video, do let me know in the comment section, and if you have tried it or how did it turn out for you, what ingredients did you use, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting many keto recipes which are simple and easy, so that your keto journey is a breeze, right? See you.